Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do a simple map. And then when you are doing a map, you must have a search field like region, country, latitude, longitude, area, postal address. You must have such kind of fields. And then within our visualization, we have two maps. We have a simple map, and then you also have a field map. So within my data table here says have country, have region, and also have sales amount. So I want to use country, region, and sales amount to represent data across different geographical region. So I will click on this simple map icon, then I will drag country and drop under location, and then I will drag region, drop under legend, then again I will drag sales amount and drop under size. So here you can see we have bubbles, and the bubbles are also different in color, and the difference in color is being represented by the differences in regions. Now if you see here, we have Australia is bluish in color, and then we have Canada with dark blue color. Also we have Northeast here, and the Northeast is within the United States. We also have Northwest. Northwest here is also, I think, within the United States government. So let me try to do a little bit of formatting so we can put on our category, and when I put on the category, now you can see the naming of the countries, of which we have United States, Canada, UK, France, Europe, Germany, rather we have UK, France, Germany, Australia, and then we can also increase the size of the bubble. So the bigger the size of the bubble represent the bigger size of the cell that we have in each and every country. So we can do some merge formatting. We can also format on map controls. We can put in the zoom, rather we can put on the zoom, and we can put off the zoom buttons. We can also change the geocoding culture. We can also change the map style. You can do road, you can do grayscale, we can do light, and then we can do dark as well, or we can just decide to do Arial. So formatting, you can choose whatever color that you want, or whatever formatting style that you need. So making a simple map is not that hard, and I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood how to make a simple map. So let's meet again in the next video to build a field map.